Okay, this is probably not a flattering angle, but anyways, hi everyone, Tiffany here. I just haven't been feeling really well today. Like halfway through the day, I started having like a little headache here, and I tried to take a nap, but then had people come over, which was a lot of fun. We did arts and crafts and made bracelets and made some chili, played some games. So it was a lot of fun, and now everyone's gone, and now I'm just like snuggled up in bed. But I wanted to come on here and just talk about the week so far. So it was I feel like I sometimes always say this, but it was a very busy week. Every single day, I literally had something to do. So that was like super important as well. But there have been a lot of moving parts. Last week, I was feeling a little bit down on myself. So I did a lot of things to get my spirits back up and make myself like feel a little bit better. So I did my nails, which are kind of coming off now. And then I also did some dance workouts. I think I journaled a little bit. So yeah, and then this week it's just been like go go go, and but it's been good. You know what I mean? And I think Friday I woke up and I was just like ugh, like it's just I'm just super tired. I tried to do some work, but my eyes were hurting so bad because I think I was like staring at screens for so long every single day. So I decided to take like a day off on Friday and just do a little bit of whatever I could do and then just rest for the whole day. And then today I kind of did the same thing, um but yeah, I mean again, got a lot of stuff done. Um I mean, a lot of stuff done that I could do, right? And so sometimes you have those days as well, and just be able to recognize that when your body's just exhausted, and then you know that you need to take some time off. And this coming week is going to be kind of busy as well. Just Monday and Tuesday, a lot of things going on. So this week has been really focused on like making money kind of activities, and then the beginning of this coming week will also be focused on that. But there are a lot of things in motion that I'm super excited about, and yeah, I mean, it really comes to show that if you're really focused and you really trust that whatever you're doing is going to work, then it is going to work because I don't know, everything's just coming together. And, at first I was a little worried about finances, but I don't know, there's been a lot of things in motion this week that I was just like, wow, it's like back to back to back wins. And, making that money and just having a different posture about money where it's like, yes, I can spend money, but I can also make money. Like, I have that capability, I have that control. So I'm not afraid of spending money, and I can enjoy my money a lot more. And I think that's something that I realized this week. Um, and so, really, this nothing that I should be worried about. I should just be focused on what I can do and make the time that I have really matter. And also having that balance between work and life, right? Making sure that it's not just all about work, but also taking the time out to really enjoy your life. Um, and that's something that I've been really like learning this year, and just redefining success to say that success isn't always about hustling and working your ass off. It's being able to control your time and your money, and being able to have the lifestyle, the dream that you want. And you can make money without even putting in the work, right? But you have to set up the systems already, right? There will be work in the beginning, but after you set everything up, then it should be good. And then you can focus on other things. It could be additional streams of income. It could be now you have more time to learn more skills, or spend more time with your family and friends, or go on and have experiences and trips, right? So just being able to, just again realizing that you can have that balance, right? And in the beginning it may not seem like it, but the work will pay off. And again, trust the process. It will work itself out, right? You will figure it out as you go. So also so talking about being super busy, I had like back-to-back meetings every day. Not back-to-back meetings, but like back-to-back meetings daily, not like back-to-back within the same day. But we were also prepping for the first workshop, first free online workshop about goal setting, and it went really well. We had 8 people registered, and I think 6 actually come live, like attend live, which was amazing because, when you, a lot of times, there is a ratio between people who register and people who attend live, and like a lot of people who register may not attend live. So I think that was a really great ratio where a majority of people who registered actually attended. And so that was amazing. We had really good participants. People learned some things. And then now we've launched the second free online workshop, which is going to be focused on action plan. So after you set your goals, you can set your action plan, right? So from that, it's on Eventbrite, so I'll put the link below so you can register for free as well if you want to attend, or even get the recording even if you can't attend. It's going to be on January 4th on a Wednesday at 7:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I looked today, we already have one person registered. I have no clue who this person is, and I'm just like, wow. Like, it just kind of like blows my mind that what I'm doing is actually working. And I have a really good feeling. Like, I've told myself, like, I know, like, what I'm doing is like, it's, I'm like on the brink of, what is it? Of a breakthrough. That's what it is. Like, I have a feeling within myself that it's going to work out, and yeah, I'm right there. You know what I mean? Like, I'm right there right before like the momentum goes, right? So it's just like, it's kind of crazy to me. And today I also got invited to be on the Facebook monetization program, and I've been researching and watching YouTube and just trying to figure out how to get into this program, and now it's actually happening, and it officially starts tomorrow, and I have 30 days to monetize my Facebook profile, which is going to be fun. I originally thought that I was going to do one post a day, but I was like, you know what? Let's try to max this out and do more than one post a day, because I only got 30 days, so why not just go all in to make 3 posts a day or something like that. So I've enlisted my sister because she's really good at posting online on especially on Facebook, and engaging with people. So I told her if she can help me out, I'm willing to split the money with her because it is a lot of money. So I'm willing to help her out, as well. And I know that she's very creative and she has a lot to bring to the table. So I'm super excited to like collaborate with her. So we'll see how that goes. And yeah, just a lot of things are happening, and I'm super excited for everything that's going on. But yeah, I just want to come on here to just talk about that really quick, and just to let you know that, you know, every, like, there will be some tough times, but you got this, and you just have to. And it's so weird because, like, there are seasons within, being a business owner or entrepreneur, and, there are, like, winter seasons where it's like crickets and like you're not making much money. And then there's like the summer season where like things are rolling and money's coming in, right? It'll be like that sometimes. And it's just like last week I was just really down, and I was just like, how am I gonna figure all this out and kind of panicking. And then this week has been like back to back to back, like blessings. And I'm super thankful for everything that's coming my way. And I just know I can do it, and I'm super excited about it. Super excited about this journey. So just comes to show that you just got to keep going. And if you want me to talk about like my revenue streams, like just let me know, like DM me, comment below, and I could do another video just about that. So I have a lot of other things that, like, I'm the type of person where like I have a lot of things going on in my mind, and then I'm like, ooh, like we should do this or I should do that, and like it's just like list after list. And of course, some ideas are not that great, and other ideas are like fantastic. So in that, what I'm trying to say is I have a lot of ideas for also YouTube, but YouTube is not my main focus. I just want to be able to document my journey here and be able to share authentically with you, what I'm going through as an entrepreneur starting out. And it's so funny too. Today, we were making bracelets, and there was a box of bracelets that I made when I was younger, and I even like had a name for it, and then on the back it was like copyrighted Tiffany Xia, like my name. So I was already business minded from the very beginning as a young girl. And I I guess like I used to fight that about myself, like why am I so different? Like why I'm always so business minded, but now I'm like starting to embrace it. It's like this is who I am, and this is who I am naturally. So I'm not ashamed of that, right? I'm actually really proud of that. And yeah, that's also what I want to do, is also like help you guys along too who are following with me, and just letting you know that you're not alone, and that like we can do this together. I love talking about business. I like collaborating with people and organizations, and I love helping other people out. Especially my mission is to inspire other people to go after what they want, go after their dreams, go after their perfect, not their perfect, but their like awesome lifestyle that they've always wanted for themselves. Because you could do it. Whatever you set your mind to, you can do it for sure. And I'm here to just encourage you and to show you that I'm proof of that, right? So yeah. Okay, well, enough of my ranting. I am going to relax, and then I have again an early day tomorrow, and then I get to spend some time with my husband. So something that I always enjoy. And then I can't believe this week is like coming up to Christmas. It's been so fast. But I'm very excited. So hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful week, and I will see you Christmas Eve. So Christmas Eve, I'm going to be spending time with my family. So we will see about uploading this video. I would do my best on uploading something. So until then, I will see you guys later. Have a good night.